Hello, I hope you are doing good. I wanted to make a short video on minimalism because minimalism is something which I'm trying to inculcate in my life, and I know how hard it is because being a Indian woman of South Indian origin, imagine how difficult it will be to implement the concept of minimalism in our life because we are obsessed with saris, we are obsessed with dresses, we are obsessed with bangles, makeup items and all that. So in kinds of that, what could be the implementation process of this concept of minimalism in life, and is it really necessary? Now when I started reading more on this content, I am trying to implement it on the areas of my kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and especially inside the wardrobe and all that. The more important concept that I wanted to share it with you is minimalism has a lot more to do with a conception of low information diet and low cluttering on your mind, because that's where I felt minimalism has to play a lot of role. Because when we tell minimalism, people will get afraid of having only minimum clothes, having only two shirts, or having only two three saris, two three tops and all that, and running the life with the same thing. It's true, because always 80% of the time we tend to wear only 20% of the dresses that we have. All the other dresses are waiting for some other occasion. It's lying in the wardrobe always to impress someone whom we don't like, wanting to put a bigger life in front of the others, where we buy certain costly items in order to behave likable or in order to put on a status for somebody else whom actually we don't really like or respect on. So if you are belonging to that category, then you have to be cautious on what is that particular amount that you are spending on that, because it's not about minimalism, it's got to more to do with essentialism. So see to that you're buying a product, or is it essential for you in your life. Otherwise, even if you're going to throw off some products, this is the only check mark that you got to. Is it essential for you? It's going to give you some happiness, it's going to give you some progression in the work activity that you're doing, then it is essential for your life. Otherwise, it is just not going to be of use for you. So this whole concept of minimalism, I feel it is happy to be called as essentialism. And concept of minimalism, trying to implement it in terms of mind, allowing only certain kind of people's information to walk inside your mind. It's very very important not to allow everybody to walk inside your mind. So consumption of low information diet, it's like not watching every other video on a YouTube channel. Like you subscribe to too many things and too many people keep posting videos. There is too many lifestyle things, too many makeup tutorials. Consuming only what is necessary and what is useful, which is your focus management, micromanagement, as well as deeper levels of focus management. Consuming only what is right for you. It's just like not scrolling every other video that is being posted. So it's about videos, it's about the people that we talk, it's about consumption of what news that we are consuming, consumption of what books that we are reading, consumption of people whom we are talking to. Everything is about minimalism. So after all this only you can enter into your wardrobe or kitchen and all that. So declutter your mind first, declutter the people around you, declutter the unwanted thoughts around you, and then go and implement minimalism successfully. Bye bye, take care.